Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to lock application on your phone with Face ID and passcode. So before doing that, you need to make sure that you already activate the passcode and Face ID on your phone to lock your phone. And after you already use those security type to lock your phone, you need to go into the shortcuts. Now go into the app library. In the search button, just type as shortcuts, and whenever you found it, you just need to go click the shortcuts. And after that, you just need to go into the automations right here in the bottom sections here, and then in this automation, go click this plus button to create a new automation. And now create personal automation, scrolling down in this part until you find an application, and make sure that you choose this is open rather than is closed, because we want to lock the application when someone open those application that we choose. And now let's choose the application. You need to decide what application that you want to lock. For example, you want to lock this photo or Google photo, you just need to go click it, and after that you just need to go click done. Now you just need to go click next and just add an action by click this button. And in this search button, you just need to type lock screen, and whenever you found it, you just need to go click it. And now you just need to go click next. Now you need to turn off this ask before running, so that those shortcut will be auto running without asking first. Go click don't ask. And now this automation is already finished. Go click done, and let's just try for the result. Let's open the Google Photos, and let's open it. Whenever you try to open, your phone will be automatically locked. You need to enter the passcode or open the phone with your face to open this photo library. So that's the way how to lock your application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.